Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of speed read technique using NLP. So in this project, we have collected the data set of abstract and parallelly we are taking the response as the objective methods, results and conclusions. And based on this data set, we are training the data set through the NLP algorithm and testing is done through the GUI. So now we can go for the code. The type ideally gone. Five, seven. So these are the libraries we used. Here we used WordNet Lembrizer for pre-processing technique. And here we are calling the object. And these files are used for to share and load the model. And this is the algorithm libraries. And here we loaded the data set. And here we are using pickle. Here saving the model. In words, it will say that it will take all patterns of response. And if class people, it will take tag name. After this, here we are using the algorithm sequential, dense, and dropout for classifying purpose. And model.combine is used for to display the accuracy in command block. And fit is used for to read the data on the data set. Strain process is completed. Save the model. For run model. For run model. So here I mentioned 10 iterations. The 10 iterations completed, your model will be created. Then go for the testing code, file, click on open, and then this I will into this inputs. So in reprocessing technique, we will use stop words. It will eliminate all the words like I was, which is related to the construction of words, and like that. It will remove the words. Stop. That's why we use stop words. And tokenize is useful to convert sentence into the words. So now click on run model. So this is the GI of speed reading using NLP. Now can give the input from the data set. So we can give the click on the button. So they can see the objective methods, results, and conclusions. You can check for another input. on input button. Here you can see based on this abstract, get the objective, methods, results, and conclusion.